All right, good afternoon, Charlotte Market. So this video, we're going to talk about luxury open houses. So these are 5 ways that you can have your luxury home stand out in a very competitive market on the luxury level. Now, when it's luxury, the stakes are raised. Less buyers can afford your home, and of course, millions and millions of dollars are typically at stake. So here we go. 5 ways. Number 1, when you're thinking exterior, you want to make sure the home is polished, it's landscape. That's all table stakes. But to really make a difference, consider having exotic cars in your driveway, whether that's Lamborghinis, Rolls Royces. That's really going to make a huge first impression for those buyers. And again, there's only so many buyers that can afford luxury properties. So you want to do everything you can to make that home visit a memorable one. Number 2, entertainment, specifically audible entertainment, meaning music. A lot of properties and a lot of open houses will have house music going through the house, and that's a pleasant experience. Don't get me wrong. But to really elevate that experience, investing and having the foresight to have a violinist or a saxophonist come play for a few hours on that first initial open house or subsequent ones really can go miles as far as not only attendance, but also getting traction with multiple offers. Number 3 is going to be synchronized swimmers in your swimming pool. Now, of course, this only applies if you have a pool, but it really gives the buyers a perspective of how they would use the home, right? They obviously can envision themselves swimming in the pool, but it also excites them, right? It's like, wow, this seller really invested in having a first-class experience for me, and I'm excited to experience it. Number 4 is artwork. So you can partner with local art galleries and have your home display one of their art pieces. Takes a little bit of planning, but when you do, it all comes together beautifully. And number 5, and the last one, is going to be the buffet, right? It's not just the Golden Corral buffet, right? It's not something you just pick up a Food Lion. This is something that you want to have a personal chef prepare. It could be, a specific type of seafood or meat. You could have Dom Perignon, champagne, whatever it is, you want to make sure that is a first-class experience and everyone will remember. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.